Your chat widget helps you catch customers where they are without making them leave your pages. However, this type of messaging needs quick responses to be functional, which is why we've added a notification sound to your widget to help you retain customers' attention. Let's check how to use it. Head to the Chat Widget tab inside your site section and create or edit a widget of any type, excluding voice AI. Switch to the Chat Window tab. Open the Additional Options area and enable or disable the notification sound as needed. Click Save in the top right corner to set your changes. This simple toggle provides added control over your notifications, helping you create an experience that better aligns with your brand while retaining customer interest and enhancing the conversation flow. A simple ping can greatly improve the exchange, reminding customers of the ongoing chat. This update puts the control in your hands. We hope you enjoy it.